Come test drive the 2021 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.